One of the biggest mistakes in human history is the disconnection of man and spirit. Because of that disconnection, we are lost, we are confused, we're running around in circles, and we have this empty feeling in our chest that we know something should be there. And that feeling is the connection with Source. We are divided, we are angry because of that disconnection. Well, this coming December 1st, I am hosting my very own Ancestral Reconnection workshop, where I'll be teaching you the importance of ancestral connection, spirit connection, source connection, so that way you can use that specific connection into your daily life, so that way you can grow, evolve, have a better understanding of who you are as a person and your purpose in your journey. Now, if this is calling out to you and you are ready to grow, evolve, and remember that connection that you had since birth, click the link down below and reserve your spot today. And I shall see you then.